Hi, hello, welcome to Omega Tuitions. So in this video, we are going to learn how to find out the root values. Already you know square roots. Suppose under root of 4 is equal to 2, under root of 9 is equals to 3, and under root of 16 is equal to 4. So single roots and single values is given. So you know very well how to find out the square roots of the given number. But here given number, that number having more square roots are there. So every number 6 root is there, plus another 6 root is there, plus another 6 root is there, plus another root 6 is there, up to so on infinity, So like this question is given. So how to find out the square root up to infinity series is given. Up to infinity series is given. How to find out? Okay. So it's very simple logic and very simple here. So see here beta, simple logic. So here solution, right? Solutions here. So here what is the factor? Means here 6. 6 divisible by which table? First you should check it here. So here 6 is divisible by 2 into 3. 2 3 is how much here? 6. And here next one, there are two numbers differences. Always like this question is given, the two numbers difference must and should be 1 we want. Okay. So here 2 3 differences how much here? 1. Okay. So differences 1, and here symbol which one is there? Here symbol is plus. So whenever given the number is given like this series of the square root infinity, so that time we are given positive side, then their differences is 100% 1. And after then here highest which number is there? Highest which number is there? 3. So here answer is how much here? 3. Answer how much? 3. Same as here also. But here negative sign is there. So how to do? Same here also. 2, 3 the 6. And here differences are 100% 1. But here negative sign is given. That time we should take less number of the multiplication. So less number what here? 2. So here answer how much here directly? Answer is equals to 2. Okay, understood? Right? Whatever it may be given like this. Plus is given more number than multiplication. Their differences must and should be 1. So next example also check it here. Suppose 12 like this question is given. So how to find out this one? Okay? Right. So here 12 write on the inside. So 12 like this question. So here 12 already you know 12 multiplied two tables. So here 12 is multiplied 2 into 6, and next one 6 into 2, and next one 3 into 4, and 4 into 3. But you know already our condition very well. Why? Because 2 6 are 12, but their difference is 4. 6 2 are 12, their difference is 4. But here 3 4 differences how much? 1. So we want which one here only? Differences must and should be we want 1. So not done. So we are does not considering about this one. Their differences 1 is there. That one only we should consider. So that's why I am writing here 3 into 4. 3 into 4. 3 4 are 12. And next one their difference is 1, and here positive value is there. So here highest number which one? 4. Then here answer is how much? Here answer 4. Okay, right. Next one also same, but here negative is there. So same 3 4 are 12. Their difference is 1, but here negative sign is there. Then we should consider less number of the multiplication. Then answer is here how much? Here 3. Okay, so this is the type 1. Okay, so whenever given like this number, that time only we are applying this one. So this is the type 1. Right now next one type 2. So type 2 here, very simple. Type 2 3. But 3 is not divisible. It is like a prime number. Prime number definition what? It is divisible by itself or 1. It is divisible by itself or 1. So here not factor is not factor here. Okay, so here no factor, nothing, and it is not divisible. It is like a prime number. So like this number is given up to infinity series is given. Then how to find out? So how to find out here? 3. Okay, so suppose before sum is 6 is there, then 6 we should write. 2 3 the 6 like this only we should write. But here not possible to 3 we are write 1 3 the 3, 3 1 the 3. That's it only. Okay, so here one formula is there. So that formula is very important. So formula is under root of 4a plus 1 divided by 2. That's it. This formula you know very well, 100%. Okay, important. So here simple logic here. So first sum under root of 4 into a value how much here? 3 plus 1 up to here 1 and separate 1 divided by 2. So here simple logic here. So here multiply 4 3 the 12 plus 1. So here under root of 13 plus 1 by 2. Answer is root 13 plus 1 by 2. 4 3 the 12 plus 1 13. This is total root plus 1 by 2. Root 13 plus 1 by 2. So this is the solution. So first you should remember it here 100%. So formula what here? Whenever given plus and 4a plus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is pakka important. Right now next one, second one also same as this. Same formula, so I should write direct. So here plus is there, so that's why plus formula. So like this plus sum also here there, so I am applicable here. 4 into under root of 4 into a value 7 plus 1 given plus 1 divided by 2. So here 4 7 are 28. 28 plus 1 29. So root 29 plus 1 divided by 2. Same, these two are same formula. Right now next one negative sign is there. That time also we are applying formula. Why? Because here also same. So here formula what here? Under root of 4a plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. Here plus is given plus. Here minus is given. Here minus formula. So right. So here next one under root of 4 into a value how much? 3 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. Under root of 4 3 are 12 plus 1 13 13 minus 1 13 minus 1 here also no 4 3 are 12 plus 13 yes. So 13 no, this minus is 1 separately divided by 2. See here plus is given plus, minus is given minus. That's it. Okay, right. Next one same minus another one sum is there. Same I will write here. So second formula same I will write here only. So here also same under root of, so directly I should write 4 into 7 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. So same formula 4 7 are 28. 28 plus 1 29. So 29 minus 1 divided by 2. So see here one check it. Before some plus is given answer plus, minus is given minus. Remaining values are same. Okay. So this is the type 2. Okay. Right. Next one here type 3. Type 2 here positive, negative signs are given type 1, type 2. But in type 3 is given, type 3 direct is given. Root 13 up to so on infinity series. So how to find out? Like this question is given. So whenever already you know very well, root 13 into root 13 is their example. Then we should root 13 whole square. Square root cancel, then mean the answer is how much here? 13 only. Like this same as here also root 13 like this solution directly 13 only. Whenever given the multiplication, that number only solution. And here also same answer. Here 2 answer. Here answer 23. Okay, so actually total this, so type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4, type 5, type 6 also there. Okay, and type 7 also there. So 7 types are there. Why? Because this square roots value who are going to write in any entrance government exams, or any competitive exams who are going to write, the person very important, this type of tricks are. Okay, actually this is we are doing long classes, but right now I am giving some shortcut method, some trick is given. Okay, whatever it may be. So here given plus minus is given how to do, plus is given how to do, and here only prime numbers are given, then which formula we are using and applying directly. First you should do in your own calculation and directly should write answer. Okay, here optional given, then which one is your solution is that, then just write tick mark it here. And next to type 3 also. Okay, I hope understand everyone. And in next class I am going to explain remaining type 4, type 5, type 6 also. Okay, right? Thank you.